So there's a two-part question to this subscriber's question. One, you want to know any tips on how to choose a mechanic shop to work with slash body shop to work with in order to save money. Okay. Now, I already made a video about why it's important to definitely have a mechanic and auto body shop to partner with for you to save money. But all I could say on that specific topic, on that specific part of your question, I can't really tell you how to choose a mechanic shop. Most mechanic shop and body shops are willing to work with dealers as long as your work is consistent and you're giving lots of work. It benefits them. So it's a mutual agreement. So it shouldn't be rocket science to partner with a shop. If you are locally, 'cause you just said you're from Ontario, if you are close to Toronto and you want to hit us up, like I'm more than happy to certify your cars for you. Like we can work something out. The other thing I would say is just probably stay away from the Canadian Tires and the franchise. When I say franchise, I'm not necessarily talking about Honda, Toyota, like OEM, like Active Green on the Ross or Mr. Lubes and all that stuff. The reason for that is they follow a formula from the franchisor, and if they follow the model from that, they may not have so much flexibility or opportunity to offer you discounts. Okay, if you go to a independent, which there's so many independent licensed auto repair shops, go to an independent shop where you can talk to the owner directly and be like, hey, I'm a dealer. I'm a new dealer. I have about maybe 12 cars in stock. I plan on doing 3-4 cars a month. I just want to make sure that we can negotiate a fair rate that I can give you most of my business. So, don't give him high expectations and say you're going to be selling 50 cars a month in order to get a cheap price, and then you end up giving him 2 cars a month because you're going to fuck up the relationship even before it got started. So be honest about it. Let them know that you probably sell about 2-3 cars a month, and as your business grow, if the price and the relationship grows together, you will get all your business.